Hey guys! Okay, so I'm gonna do get ready with me right now. It's like 1 p.m. I have work at 3, so this is how I've chosen to spend my time. I just got out of the shower, so y'all are probably gonna be able to see my skincare. This is what my skin is looking. Honestly, like a really huge improvement from what it used to look like. So I don't know what kind of makeup I'm gonna do today. I want to incorporate these little gem things. I think that would be really cute. And I also feel like people would be more willing to watch my get ready with me's if like my makeup isn't like basic. So I feel like my previous get ready with me's were like really pressing and angsty. Just me basically crying about how I'm depressed and how nobody cares about me. But does anybody care? No, I don't expect them to. But I feel like I'm in a much better place right now. So I think like the fact that I'm feeling better is largely in part of the fact that I deleted Twitter. Once I realized it was literally just misogynistic tweet after misogynistic tweet. Obviously, I know that like it's good to know what's going on in the world and stuff, but like, babes, I couldn't do it. I want to do something kind of like editorial. So yeah, I'm gonna use those gems. I think I'm gonna do like a pink eye look and then the gems. And then the gems, love. I'm wearing this top from Jaded London. So yeah. But how have you guys been? Let me know how you've been. If I like ask a question, feel free to answer it in the comments because I want like a discussion. But yeah, so I deleted Twitter. I was just tired of seeing misogynistic tweets. Let me tell you guys what I've been doing lately for my edges. You know what? I'm not gonna tell you. I'm gonna show you. That was ugly, but so I've been flat ironing them. I've only done this a couple times, but I really don't understand like how girls are like with my hair type are getting their edges really straight when they lay them. Like I have to do this first, and like you're probably thinking, damn, like her hair is about to fall out. But literally in high school, I relaxed my edges and nothing happened. So I think I'm pretty much impervious to any type of damage. And honestly, this makes them lay so much better. I don't do this every day. I'm doing it for the video because I care. I care about y'all. I gotta do my edges first because if I do them after, they're gonna get makeup in them. It's gonna be a whole thing. Swear. Basically, I feel like I was not meant to see people's opinion. Like when you think about like how our brains are supposed to work and like what we're like actually programmed to like know about, like I was not programmed to know about like shit that's happening on the other side of the world or like just literally just random people's opinions that will never affect me. The thing is, like with Twitter, like if I see a misogynistic person's tweets, like you have to realize like I never would have seen that tweet if not for Twitter. And then when you like count up everybody's tweets that like are offensive or harmful to someone with my experience, it's like, is it really worth it to like put myself through that? And literally some people don't deserve to have an opinion, and Twitter kind of like makes it so that these people get that even though they shouldn't. So I'm trying to start doing more like sit down, get ready with me, honestly just to practice. See, look, already coming up. This is why I don't do anything. Just to practice being like in front of the camera. Honestly, I feel like in my hauls I look very uncomfortable. So yeah, I think I just need more practice. And also I just want to start posting more consistently. So here's me trying to do that. Let me put my earrings in. I also want to do like a curated ear. This is what my ear looks like now. And I have 2 here, and then another. Oh, I actually have 3 because I'm about to put one in. But I wanted what's it called? The one that goes in like through the middle. The fact that I've been talking for 15 minutes and only put my foundation on, that's powerful. I started this show as per recommended to me by my favorite YouTuber. Her name's Ryan Finn. Link her below. If you watch her, let me know because I just like her videos. Yeah, so my favorite show that I've been really liking, it's on HBO. It's called Betty's. It's about like girl skaters. So now I'm thinking that I want to teach myself how to skate and maybe like make a video of it. I feel honestly kind of weird like dipping my toe into like male dominated hobbies because men are kind of the worst gatekeepers on earth. If you're a girl that's like into something that's like traditionally male, you'll understand. Like they'll literally come up to you and be like, name every single human being that's ever skated, or else you're a poser and you're a fake fan. Did you ever watch TV and there'd be like the one girl that could skate, but she would like go to the skating rink and then like just start doing like the most insane tricks, and like that's why she was valid, because she was never a beginner. Like she just was born and knew how to skate. Basically not gonna be me. And I feel like that's kind of the only way men validate like women and like their sports is if they're just like so good, like better than them, even if they've only been skating for like a year, they just pick it up because they move like that.
Into place, worried or a novelty, actually keen with me how long. Oh, I can't say. Tomorrow is good, tomorrow is fine.
Guys, think about dating. I'll have moments. I'll be like, I should start dating again. But love, when you see what's out there, it becomes less serious. Honestly don't really believe that marriage is worth it unless you find someone who you like really want to be with. Like people in like my mom's generation, especially being from like a different country, marriage is kind of like you just kind of had to do it. Like it didn't really matter if you were that compatible with that person, you just did it because that's what people do. But I want to transcend that. This is the Masquerade Mini by Julia's Lace. I think I'm gonna take this pink color called Glory. I swear if I fuck up, this video will not see the light of day. So I would just kind of outline the shape you want and then go in. Let me scoot up. And go in and just tap it in. So yeah, dating. Yeah, it's really fucking ghetto out here. Like I feel like us as women are just starting to realize like how useless men are. Cause I can understand like maybe like 50 years ago, I guess, when like you actually needed men because women weren't allowed to work. And yeah, women weren't allowed to work. That's so fucked. Like, what was that about? And now women can work and they do work and they often make more than men. And I feel like men really haven't gotten with the program. They still think it's like, you know, misogyny era. Ooh, it's kind of giving. So like they still think women need them so they can like act really like inappropriately towards them. But that is not the case. And then we're gonna go ahead and go on the other eye. I'm gonna come a bit closer. Guys, I've been having a lot of dreams about like zombies and zombie apocalypses. Is it just me? And like if I'm about to die in the dream, I just wake up? Isn't that just the scariest thing ever?
I remember noises burning off our ships, wondering when it would all fall into place. Worried or a novelty, actually keen with me how long. Oh, I can't say.
Closet clean out. Okay, so I want to make a video that's like a closet clean out. And at first I was like, oh, I don't know if I should make a video because I don't have enough clothes and people are gonna judge me for how little clothing I have. Meanwhile, I'm running out of hangers. Also just like, who cares? Like, why would anybody judge me for the amount of clothes I have when first of all, I have a good amount. And second of all, even if I didn't, what were you gonna do about it? Okay. And so after this, I want to just clean up the shape a little bit with some concealer. So yeah, honestly, the things that my brain makes up, it's crazy. So I probably will be doing a closet clean out. It's just a lot of work because I plan on trying on all my clothes just to like for sure know like if I want to keep something or not, because I have so much stuff I don't wear. And I'm also trying to like get out of the kind of fast fashion buying mode, because literally, damn, this is hot. Fast fashion is a disease. Like, I want to think like, because I'm 21 right now, like, will I be wearing this item when I'm 25? And for a lot of the stuff that I'm finding that are like really cute right now, it's like, no, like all those like mesh dresses with like 5,000 cutouts, no fucking way that I will be wearing that when I'm 25. I'm just pulling this out with my fingers. See how sharp that is? Now it's time for the diamonds. These aren't diamonds, but y'all know what I'm talking about. I think I'm just gonna do the smallest ones. I love simple makeup that looks like it took a while.
Tomorrow is fine. Felt believing, so I'll take it as a sign.
That's hot. And then I think I'm gonna go back in with the pink and just like really pack it all in. Where do you guys used to shop when malls were a thing? My main places was, I barely shopped at Hollister. I got like one shirt there and it was like $20. But my main places were Aeropostale. I used to really fuck with their like branded stuff when I was in middle school. I also liked PacSun. They had pretty good jeans actually. Or did you not shop at malls? Also, what shows did you guys like to watch? I hear a lot of people talking about like iPad kids and how parents are so evil and damaging for like making their kids have iPads when they should be outside exploring. But I don't know about you guys, but I was inside watching TV. My main shows were Hannah Montana. Pretty sure I've seen every single episode of that show. And then I also really like iCarly. I didn't watch Ed, Edd n Eddy. I thought that show was literally the stupidest thing known to man. I never thought it was funny. I never understood the jokes or what was happening. So yeah, that show was not for me. I liked 16. Does anybody remember that show? It was so far ahead of its time. Like, I'm pretty sure like they had a guy character and like gay love stories. That show was on like Cartoon Network. Okay, so the gems will fall. I need y'all to know that. Yeah, those are pretty much my mains. I think my main was Hannah Montana on Disney Channel. I liked That's a Raven. I liked Ant Farm. Ant Farm was okay. I kind of felt like the characters were annoying. And it kind of felt unrealistic. Like, why are you a middle schooler going to high school? Like, I understand that you're gifted, but clearly they weren't mature enough to handle it. But I like that they had a black girl on there. Guys, kind of giving. After this, I need to go and take some pictures. And I didn't cut on my nose. Okay, if you are black, how do you feel when you contour your nose? Because I used to not do it, but now I feel like I kind of have to. And it's very much giving, letting the white man win, tuning myself up for white beauty standards. But it's also like, can I just enjoy having a snatched nose and not feel like a coon? Alexa, what time is it?
The time is 1:52 p.m. Have a good afternoon.
I love Alexa. Do you guys say like please and thank you to Alexa whenever she does something for you? So when the robot like or overlords take over, like they'll remember your kindness? Or am I just deranged? Leave a comment if I'm just deranged. But all I know is I'm gonna be a house human when they start enslaving us. Isn't that right, Alexa? She's thinking. I always overline. So crazy. Because when I was younger, I used to do this when I was around people so that my lips wouldn't seem as big because of like racism and like self-hatred. And now I'm overlining and still don't even feel like that's enough. It's so crazy. These bitches wanna be me now, you know? Girl, you know what that reminds me of? The thing on TikTok with like Nicki's Black Barbie song. Like, what is that all about? I feel like if you're not black, you can't be a Black Barbie. Am I wrong? You're gonna look me in the eye and tell me that I'm wrong? Should I just leave it down? No. The answer is no. I think I'm gonna do half up, half down. Who could have predicted that? Her. What more needs to be said? So this was the look. Let me just. I'm gonna go take some pictures. See you all in the future in another video. I love you so much. Bye.